We shall see the process of defining roster. There are 3 ways to define roster. 1. By direct defining, another, uploading an Excel file, and third is copying from existing roster. Managers and attendants admin/coordinators have rights to define rosters. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Click on Attendance icon. Choose Define New Roster from left-hand side menu. Create a new roster by copying from existing roster from here. Choose roster from the list that you want to copy and submit. Another way is defining rosters directly. Choose Define a Fresh New Roster option. Enter dates and select site or sites for which you want to define rosters and submit. From here, copy shift option, you can define a shift for all the employees. Or from here you can define roster for employee-wise. After defining rosters, click on Submit. After submitting, rosters will be visible to employees in their ESS account. Third option is, download Excel template from here and fill up the details and upload it again.